future of work scenario changes because of digital transformation, because of pandemic, and what else you can expect a little bit in future, and how the work scenario has changed, how it has impacted on the demand, in the sense, what is the employer today looking for in terms of skills? What are some of those mindsets which could help you? So we're going to talk all about that, and it's going to be a comprehensive session with practical exercises to take care of. I think it's an important topic, Archana. What do you say?
Absolutely. And moreover, I think, Rinku, it is a structure which concerns everybody. So what do you think are the people who should be joining? Who should be those people who should be joining this workshop?
It's going to be applicable for all. Now, when I say applicable for all, I don't mean it is going to be a generic session. We're going to address specific questions. And two big questions we're addressing is, are you looking for a job? And are you concerned whether you will find a job today or not, or in near future? Number two, are you in a job already and concerned about how you can stay in that job? You're insecure about the job, you've lost the job, unfortunately, or you're looking to shift or reorient your career. So how future is going to change that and challenge you in that space? I think these are the questions we address. So if you ask me, the targeted audience would be anybody who's a job seeker, anybody who's employed today and concerned about their employability. But in effect, Archana, if you look at it, if I'm a parent, I have a young child, a graduate or a postgraduate, and I want to have a conversation with my child, I'm the right audience for that session. If I'm a friend or a family or a relative to such a person who's a job seeker or an employed person but concerned about his job, you could choose and take away something from this session which can help you have that conversation. Maybe some tools for that person that you are concerned about. So I would say, and that's the reason why I say it's meant for all, but specifically if you're a job seeker and if you're somebody who's concerned about his own job situation, employability, this is a good session for you. It's going to be very, very comprehensive and very interactive session.
And for all those who have been a part of TalkÓ'Tell and have heard us before, they know that we are going to emphasize on the way we are going to deliver in this workshop. So it is really going to be very realistic. It is going to be a lot of fun. Definitely, we can't miss out to that. And also it is going to be on the basis of experiential learning. So those 2 hours is not only going to be a lot of gyan from us in the sense of just we talking and you listening. It is going to be a lot of interaction and a lot of learning by the end of it. So I think for all those who are actually wanting to take that leap forward to get answers to such questions, please join us.
Yes. There's a lot of work going on behind the scenes on this workshop. So it'll be great to have you all there.
All right then. See you next time, next week with yet another topic that matters. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Bye.